Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
पोर्तुगालात जन्म नोंदणी करपी सोमतेच पोर्तुगालाचे नागरिक जाता. विदेश मंत्रालयान हाची दखल घेवन विदेशी नागरिक जाल्ल्यांचे पासपोर्ट रद्द केल्यात. गोंयांत सध्या 70 जाणांचे पासपोर्ट रद्द. गोवन्स फॉर गोवा संघटना हो इश्यू घेवन NRA कमिशनराक मेळ्ळे. ताणें खंय लक्ष घालता म्हूण सांगलां.
He has given us a very positive feedback and he said he would definitely look into it, and he has already been working together with Mr. Tanaude, who is the MP of Goa for the Parliament in Delhi. So we feel that things are going on in a very positive way for the Goans who are affected by this issue.
पासपोर्ट रद्द केला तो मोठो प्रश्न न्ही, OCI कार्ड मेळना हो मोठो प्रश्न.
But आमचो main question is, why are you not allowing or denying OCI to the people whose passports are revoked? See, the revocation of passport is one side and the OCI laws are different. आणि हे भुरग्याचे आता पासपोर्ट रिवोक जाल्या त्यांचे हिंगा ओरिजिन त्यांचे गोरदार त्यांचे फॅमिलीज त्यांचे सगळे हांगा आसा. So how, on what basis are you refusing that? You are giving dual citizenship for people, for foreigners who are citizens of other countries. They are even holding dual citizenships. And then if their father was born or they have father or grandfather had an origin in India, he is getting an OCI. So why are genuine Goans who went to surrender their passports as per the law are punished?
हो प्रश्न फकत 70 जाणांचो न्ही, फाल्यां सगळ्यांचेर येतले म्हूण शिटकावणी.
Portugal's government munta that the minute you register your birth assent, you become a citizen of Portugal. How does the Indian government look at this? Problem is about this 70-80 people. No, this will affect around 5 to 6 lakhs people who have got their assent registered. The assent घेऊ ना, तुम्ही आपल्या भुरग्याक लावून करूं कितें लावून करूं assent घेना, but they are by law today they are citizens of Portugal. So what are the implications? Implications are tomorrow your election card can be terminated if they get a list from Portugal. All of them can become, because they are foreigners, their ration cards can be cancelled. People who are working in thousands, lakhs of people who are working in government jobs, they have to be terminated. All these issues will come to the fore because the Indian government can't ignore this anymore. You understand? Unless the Indian government changes the law.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.